Hey guys, welcome again to my channel Technologies 24 by 7. In this video I will show you that how to enable administrator account in Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. And I will also show you that how to make any user as administrator. We will enable administrator account which have 100% rights to do anything on any PC. So guys, before starting I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button, then you will receive my upcoming videos. So guys, let's start. First of all, press Windows plus R button, run, then type lusrmgr.msc, local user manager dot Microsoft console. Enter. Here you can see now we are in users and groups. Okay, let me show you another way to open it. Right click on your PC, means this PC or my computer, then click on manage, then click on local user and groups, then users. Here you can see by defaultly in Microsoft Windows administrator account is disabled, which have 100% rights. So guys, we will enable it. Right click on administrator, then go to properties, then uncheck this box, account is disabled, uncheck this. Okay, now click on apply. Now okay, so guys, our administrator account has been enabled, but make sure to set password on administrator. Now I will set password on it. Okay, now click on proceed. Now enter your type your password 123 or ABC, whatever you want. Click on OK. The password has been set. Okay guys, our administrator account has been enabled and we have set password on it. You can switch user by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, then you will click on switch user. First time it will take time because it's signing in first time, logging in first time, so it will take time, 3 to 4 minutes. uh, so when your profile is ready, it will come, then you can do whatever you want to do as administrator. So guys, let me show you another thing, that how to make any user as administrator. So guys, you can see I have another user which is ABC. Now I will make it as a administrator. So guys, I'm making ABC as administrator. So guys, right click on it, then go to properties, then go to member of. Here you can see it's member of only users. Now I will make it as administrator by clicking on add. Here I will type administrators. uh, for avoid any spelling mistake, click on check names, then okay, here we go. Now click on OK, apply, then OK. Now you can see ABC is member of administrator group. Administrator, yes, you can see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be very thankful to you, and I'm trying my best to make better videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you.